company.
Hey, and you can rent these hoppers at a rental yard, can't you?
You can rent the whole thing, compressor and everything.
I mean, if somebody wants to try it out before they want to invest in a compressor and all that.
You could rent one.
I'm not sure how much they cost per day, but they couldn't be too much.
And you know, you get a lightweight compressor that's not real heavy. I like to move things around just by myself, so the weight of the compressor is important that you get.
Oh, that's true.
Because of the fact that you want to move it around quite easily. Yeah. So I think there's many options there as far as equipment, and I think we're coming along here pretty good.
Yeah.
It's given that look, and then on the edge here you'll see some stuff that's overlapped here. So what I do with the edge is when it's dry, I'll take the sponge. When it's completely dry, I'll take the sponge and catch that, because if I'm trying to mess with it, I'll mess up the corner.
Yeah, good thinking.
And you want a clean corner, you know, you want an edge to be very clean. So that little sponge will take that off, and there'll be no sanding involved, no dust involved.
Oh, I like that.
This is all a finished product here. There won't be any sanding because it was all ready to go.
Wait. So when you get done with this, before you prime, you're not going to sand. You're not going to lightly sand this wall.
Not at all. No. If I do anything, I might take a big sponge, but I want to have a definition of some rough texture here and there.
Oh, okay.
Now, normally, if I was doing this and it was all smooth new drywall, I would probably take a rather large sponge and just go over it real quick after it's set up, before I put the primer, because after the primer goes on, you're done.
Yeah, but you mean after this sets up, before you leave, if you were working here all day and if it was new construction, you would then run the sponge on it before you left for the day.
Yeah.
And that just kind of softens any rough edges that you have a little.
Anything,
Oh, that's a good idea.
Yeah, and that's kind of a quick remedy for anything that might be sticking up or imperfections that you don't want to have seen in the final. So, you know, it's whatever the customer wants and what you're trying to produce as far as the finish.
Yeah.
So I think we're good here because of what we're trying to achieve. And it's I think we're getting there. We're getting there. And the process has begun. So this here, I'm going to come down. We just sprayed that right by the phone jack, so I'm going to wait for that just a little bit to smooth that off. But we're good up here. I'm just going to kind of go down it one more quick time here, just to.
You're wiping it off each time. The rag.
Each time, keep the debris off your, because you don't want like a line coming down, you know. It doesn't look natural if you have something like a big streak of the texture, you know. It doesn't look natural, so we have to keep it clean. Keep it clean. So we're looking pretty good there.
Awesome.
Now this that I just did is not quite ready yet.
Yeah.
Not quite ready yet. It's still there. So I'm going to rinse this rag off again. So it didn't take too long to do that. It takes longer to prep, longer to tape everything off.
Yeah. Tape it all off and get it ready, and then clean it up. The actual spraying doesn't take that long at all.
No, not at all. And then too, I'll be cleaning up that gun pretty soon because we don't want it to dry in the machine.
Oh yeah, I want to see how you do that because I'm not.
And then I'll go outside with that with the hose.
Oh, okay.
And we're just going to make sure that anything that might have got on here is off before it. And actually, if it does dry, you see something when you come back and take all the tape off, if you see something that did get on there, the texture compound itself will come off quite easily, even when it's dry.
Yeah, just with a damp rag or a sponge or something.
Exactly. So, not to be too concerned if, you know, if you miss an area or something gets sprayed on, just wipe it off, you know.
Yeah.
And it comes off quite easily. I've seen some jobs where I went to paint and there's still drywall mud, so I go ahead and wipe it off. Got a little bit in here, come right off. Make sure you get this wiped off. Yeah, this is probably should have put another piece of paper, but we got it. We got it. So I think we're on our way to...
Well, this 50-year-old house is going to look like a brand new house in this area with this new spray texture on here.
Yeah, and the old wallpaper's gone. We got a completely new look for not a major expense here.
Yeah.
We're doing what we're doing, and give the whole paint changes everything with not a whole lot of expense. You know, when you texture the wall and paint it, you get a whole new look.
Mm-hmm.
For not a major cost.